Good morning, Dave Snyder here. It is the second morning of July 2015, and I want to point out this weather spot right here. It'll start over in just a second. I want you to notice something that I think is kind of strange that I never noticed before, really. Just a second. Here it goes. Oh, wait. Okay, right here. See how it starts like this right here, that big purple spot? Now watch as it goes away. The weather being pushed both directions from the center out. This way and this way, watch. Going to the west. It's going west over here, and it splits in the middle. This goes east, this goes west. From that point, starts at this point. Let me just put my little hand there. You see it already going west. That weather's already going west, and the other weather's going east. And it splits in the middle, and that weather goes that way, and that weather goes that way. And another thing I thought was pretty interesting was, how I showed the lunar south pole pattern upside down the other day. I think that has to have something to do with the summer solstice thing or something, because it doesn't do it on exactly the 21st of every year. I mean, it doesn't. The calendar doesn't determine what the sun and the moon and all that, and the earth and all that do. It had to be somewhere right around the 21st, I'm sure. And I think that it must have switched around. Something happens at that point where the weather switches around or something. It had to be something to do with that. I'm not, a weather expert or nothing, that's for sure, but I watch it all the time, and I'm telling you, that was really strange to see it upside down like that day. And it's still upside down today. It has to have something to do with the summer. So, anyways, I thought that was pretty interesting. That's pretty interesting weather we have there. Rained at 1 o'clock this morning for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. About 5 minutes. And I put my little comment saying stupid California, because I had all kinds of stuff outside. Wasn't expecting rain. I had to get up and go out there and cover everything. But I think that's pretty interesting. Let's zoom in a little bit and see if we can do that or not. No, I guess not. But I was watching the news this morning, and I noticed the weather going towards the west. I was like, what? Because I watch the news every morning almost, and usually it's going the other way. So I'm sure that's a common thing where it does that, but that's interesting. That spot is interesting where it does that. It's like right over the Grand Canyon area, or near there, the Colorado Plateau or whatever. Let me just stop this, and we'll check it out up close. Alright, now we'll play. Okay. There it is. Boom. Big pattern. That's a nice little pattern there. Put my hand right here. It started right here. And splits off. Something's going on under the ground right in this area where it splits, I'd say. Right there. Okay, right there is where it started. Those, to me, when those things happen, it has more to do with the sun. It has a little bit more to do with just the sun and the whatever. It has something to do with what's going on under the earth, I think. I mean, it's hot. It's hot and humid right now. Shit, I'm sweating already. It's only 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8:30. Not even that. 8:10. So, anyways, just pointing that out. If anybody got any thing to add, explanation, or any kind of comment, add below. Have a great day, as usual. Oops, don't want to do that. What did I just do?